Right Honorable Speaker, would like to thank you for the guidance you've given this House all along. Honorable members, today over 600 people have been arrested in Kampala for trying to go down and open up their places of work. I remember the question arose when we were here about the distribution of food, and the food was to be distributed to the vulnerable poor. So those that were working in arcades, malls, and others in the saloons were not given food, and they were also told to stay home. It's now 4 months, ladies and gentlemen. These people can no longer afford to stay home because they can't pay rent at home, and their shops are locked down. They are choking with loans. They cannot work. Please put yourselves in the shoes of these people. As our workplaces are open, their offices are not open. Their offices are their shops. They sent for goods, as we are talking about what we export, Right Honorable Speaker. These people also ordered for goods from abroad. They can no longer meet their obligations on their credit. They can no longer afford to even go back and pay the rent that they have to pay. They can't pay utilities at home, and they don't have food. I support Honorable Katsabe and you, Right Honorable Speaker, and honorable members, that the time for the lockdown is long gone. Let's learn to live with this virus and work with it with the special operating procedures. How can we open up markets and fail to open up a shopping mall and shopping centers? It doesn't logically add up. Therefore, I would like to call upon every one of us that is here to be empathetic to these young men and women who are trying to find a living. That who of us can go for 4 months without earning and still run a family and run a constituency? Let's be empathetic and think about them the way we think about ourselves. If all of us cannot close our workplaces for even 2 months, imagine 4 months without being at work and having children at home. What else can they do? They have to come down and open their workplaces because they have rent to pay, they have taxes to pay, they have utilities to pay, yes. They have children to look after. We must be empathetic, we must work.